I am Sharon Tinberg, owner of Rags to Riches, a support center for residential cleaning services. I'm going to spend the next several months helping you build a cleaner, just like they do at Build-A-Bear store, where children have the opportunity to build their perfect companion that will offer them friendship and security, a soulmate inseparable for life. Yikes, what a treat and what a responsibility for this child to choose what this bear will look like. And especially a bear that's going to become their bestest friend ever. There are a lot of unstuffed bears to choose from. Some don't even look anything like a bear. They have bears, kitties, ponies, and aliens, but they don't have wolves and snakes. A child has to determine what they want from the available choices, and the parent or grandparent has to hope it will still be important in a day or two because those things are expensive. Some children make their choices at the store, and some proactive parents show their children the available choices before they get to the store so that the child knows what is available and becomes excited on the way to the store about their choice, rather than disappointed or disenchanted when they leave because they were counting on a wolf and they ended up with a rabbit. They left the store with a stuffed animal, granted, but chances are they won't know where that stuffed animal is within 24 hours because it never really met their expectations in the first place. They probably never should have gone to the store in the first place. Does this sound a little familiar to you? Is that what we go through when we need to hire a new cleaner? We want to hire someone we will be able to turn to when we need their help and support. We want to be able to confide in them confidentially and for them to confide in us confidentially. We want to build a company with them, and we want to be inseparable for the life of that company, or maybe even longer. Yikes! What a treat and responsibility for you to choose what this cleaner will look like that is going to become your bestest team member ever. There are a lot of untrained cleaners to choose from. Some don't even look like a cleaner. Knowing what is important to you is the first step you need to take when building your ideal cleaner. A team member for life. You know that you can't have everything. So you need to determine what is important to you, as well as what is least important to you before you ever introduce yourself to your first applicant. This is not an easy task, like all the steps you will take while learning how to build a cleaner. And that is why we will take several months to complete all of the steps, so that you can easily accomplish each task before we go on to the next. If you follow these very short and simple steps faithfully, in less than a year, you will have built a template to easily build more and more cleaners that meet your expectations. The first thing you must do is define what is a good employee who is going to clean homes for your company. What do they look like? You need to know what is really important to you and what you must have. You cannot live without. I have a list of 75 characteristics that could make a good employee. I would like you to take that list and number it from 1 to 75 in order of importance, with number 1 being the most important. When we meet again, we will review the results of that exercise and talk about some possibilities for further use of that exercise and what you should do with the results. You can get a copy of the characteristics at my website, successmadeeasy.com, search Build a Cleaner, or email me at sltinberg@yahoo.com, and I will email you the Excel spreadsheet. You can also paste the one that's on the website into a blank Excel spreadsheet, which would make it much easier to work with. I encourage you to take the time to start learning how to build a cleaner today. By understanding what is important in a cleaner in your organization, in your company. Not what some people tell you is important. Not on Facebook. Everybody's company is different and everybody's area is different. Learn your company and your needs. And start there. Enjoy your next few days, stay safe, and thanks for watching.